If these salmon croquettes look good, they are. And I made them in the air fryer. Look at that. Look at that. I'm going to show you how to do it. This was some leftover salmon that we had from the night before. So I'm going to go ahead and break this up. And you could break it up how you like it. I'm going to do me. Do you. Right? So what you want to do is you want to break it up real good. It's up to you. Like that. A few drops of lemon juice in there. And these were some caramelized onions, green and red peppers, and some garlic. See, they caramelized. They look good too. I'm gonna just throw them in the pan with some butter on a low heat. Move them around for a little bit till they brown up. This is 1.5 cup of breadcrumbs and 2 teaspoons of garlic. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. A teaspoon of flour. And some Parmesan cheese. I don't know how much that was. It was just enough. Some cilantro. A nice little pinch. Get up in there. Know what I'm saying? And for the hell of it, we're going to use some more Parmesan because I like Parmesan. And my folks like it too. So now we about to get into making this egg mixture. We got 2 eggs, some Worcestershire sauce, tablespoon of mayonnaise, another tablespoon of mayonnaise, some mustard. Yo, mix this up till your hands hurt. You heard? Mix it up just like this, just how I'm doing. See that? Mix, 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 mix till your hands hurt. Keep mixing. Mixing. That's why I'm letting you see me mixing. Keep mixing it. You know what I'm saying? Don't slack on that. Add you some Old Bay. Big key. Some black pepper. Because remember, this is the egg mix for the salmon. Salmon. Whatever. Mix, mix, mix it up. Mix it up. Same how your girl be on the block, mix it up. Get back to this salmon and veg. Mix this up real good. Real good. You don't want to sham on this part because this is a essential part. Believe it. So you're going to mix that up till your hand hurt. Mix, 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 mix. You're going to take those breadcrumbs, that Parmesan, all them seasonings, flour, all that, and mix half in there. See, so this is an important step right here because you want to mix it while it's dry. Don't add the wet ingredients yet. And you want to make sure that you mix the fish and the breadcrumbs first. I mean, don't ever forget about your mix game. Not the next game, the mix game. So this right here is you're going to add the mixture and keep stirring it. Keep stirring it in. It's not a problem. As you can see, the eggs broke down the mayonnaise. And you're going to keep mixing it. Right? But you notice I didn't pour the whole thing in just yet. Now I'm starting to notice that it's not too watery. So I go ahead and put the rest of the mixture in there. The egg mixture that we made. Remember? It's all good. Now, mix it till it hurt. Pause. You know what I mean? So if your whip game ain't like your game, you know what I'm saying? You gotta make that sound. You know? So go ahead and take the other half of the breadcrumbs and go ahead and mix that in. Mix it in really good though. Reason being is you don't want no bread spots, no breaded spots in your mixture once you pour in. What I'm talking about, we already poured in the egg. Anyway, keep mixing it. Keep mixing it. Mix it up crazy. Just like this. So this is what it should look like right here. It's kind of like a dry tuna fish. Throw that back in the bowl. It's good. Let's keep mixing it. Now, let's make the tartar sauce. Tartar sauce. 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise of your choice. Whatever you choose to use, your business. Some relish. Some lemon juice. A squirt. Dash of vinegar. A dash. Some black pepper. And this is how you make that homemade tartar sauce. Sauce. Some slap your mama Creole seasoning. Stop playing. You gotta try this. Definitely some Frenchie's mustard. Or you could use whatever mustard you got. Just don't use a lot though. Unless you want it to taste like mustard sauce. I don't like it on the runny side. I kind of like it on the thick side. Thicken it up. Gotta add the Parmesan. Mix it around real good. Give it a good stir. Now, I don't know about you, but I definitely like to taste my tartar sauce. Look at that. It's getting thicker. Like shorty up the block, getting thicker. See the whip game? Whipping it crazy. Now, let's bring back this salmon patties. Let's make up these salmon patties. Let's go. So you want to make them like little hamburgers, kind of thick on the thick side. You know what I mean? Because you do want to crust these on the outside when we cooking them. Of course, because we cooking them in the air fryer. But once you form these, we don't need no flour, no nothing. It's going straight in the air fryer. So you can make like the patties just like this. I am using gloves. I did put a little bit of oil on my gloves and I started making the patties. So if you want to do that, it's just to make sure they don't stick. And we're going to throw these in the air fryer like this. Like so. And this right here is about 8 minutes in. And this is about halfway through. So this may be about 6 minutes. Yeah, sometimes they be a little stubborn, but they don't stick. See, they even got the little marks on the bottom. Look how that look. We on our way, cat. We on our way. Culinary. So we gonna let this cook for about another 13 minutes. And this what we got right here. Look how golden brown them is. Them is. They are. Look how golden. They look like gold. They look like gold. Stop it, Five. Stop it. Look at that. Just what I showed you in the beginning. We got the tartar sauce and some pita bread. Look at those, man. That's dinner. I don't play. We ain't wasting nothing. We cooking them leftovers. If this look good, like this video. Look, one more. Pow. Yeah. I'm gone.